Hi everyone. Before you take the worksheet, serious, okay? Very easy. We are talking about possessive. Possessive. What is possessive? Just holding. It's mine. Who's this? Mine. Ask question with one thing. Whose? 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 Mine. Yours. Every time that ownership. Mine. Yours. Oh, don't take it is mine. It is hers. Don't touch my father's. So, every time you talk language like that, you are using possessive. Leave it, it is theirs. Don't touch. What if I touch? Don't, it is not ours. Don't touch. So, every time we use possessive, when we just want to take ownership of something, who owns, who's this? And that answer is possessive. Now, do not confuse about anything else. Here we will understand just possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. What is pronoun? What is pronoun? In place of noun. So if you have pronoun, there is no noun. If there is a pronoun, there is no noun because it has removed the noun. And in the place of noun, it is there. Adjective. Adjective is talking about that noun. It does not remove. So it is talking. Noun is there. Adjective is talking about that noun. Okay. So pronoun, you will have no noun because it is in the place of noun. Adjective, there is a noun. Now let us understand. Ask question with whose. So, one side you have whose, no noun, okay? If you have noun, whose plus, if you have noun, immediately it becomes adjective. What kind of adjective? Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. If you have no noun here, this becomes pronoun, possessive pronoun. See how simple it is. Very simple. So, it is mine. Whose? It is mine. Ends. One word, mine. Whose? Noun. Now take the noun, for example, here, pen, flower, water, milk, box. Say, noun. So, whose pen? My pen. My pen. See, my pen. See the difference? Mine, my pen. My pen. Adjective. My pen. Possessive adjective. No, not my pen. Your pen. Your box. Whose box? Whose box? So, whose plus noun. Your box. Your box. So, adjective, possessive adjective. That much, so simple. Here, yours. It is yours. It is yours. Yours. See, yours. So easy. Yours. Only whose. Who's this? Yours. So mine, yours, they are all pronoun. And I will give you a list. Here it is. And that is the list. Mine, yours, see, pronoun. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. And in adjective, there is, immediately I will give my pen. So, my. Adjective, my. That is whose plus noun, my. Your box. So, adjective. His father, not your father, not my father, his father. His adjective. Her car. Adjective. Now, can you do all for this? It's milk. The cat drank its milk. Whose milk? Its own milk. It's milk. Our plan. Our plan. See, your idea. Your idea is good. My idea is also good. Their idea is best. Wow, awesome. There. And this is. And this is. This is. See, no noun, verb. No noun. This is the best. This is. See that. So, you see the difference? This is what you need to know. Now, how to use in the subject and in the object. How to use pronoun possessive pronoun. In the subject. Same thing, do not get confused. Mine is missing. Where is your ID? Huh? Where is your ID? Your ID, your possessive adjective. Your ID. Mine, not my ID. I said just simply, mine is missing. I don't know where it is. Mine is missing. Mine in the subject. In the object, don't touch that. It is mine. It is mine. See, same. Don't dare to touch that. It is mine. Did you find after pronoun no noun? This is not noun. This is verb. But adjective? What about adjective? See that adjective now. Okay? What should be there? There should be noun. So here, subject. Noun should be there. So, my ID, noun, adjective. My ID is missing. My ID. So here, what will happen here? It will not be there. My ID. My. Got it? Same way. Now you just study this list. Keep it with you. Paste it on the wall. Keep this. And this same. All these things will take noun. That's it. Because adjective, possessive adjective. Now with this understanding, do the assignment which is given to you.